In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add this tripod mount to your camera. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your tripod like so. You should see your tripod here has this little mount on it. This tripod should have this little mount on it. If it doesn't have this mount on your tripod, you're going to need to buy one or find the one that you have. Now, what you want to do is remove the tripod head like so. You want to move this mount off the tripod because it's not going to come out like so. What you want to do, if it's like stuck like so, like you can't even move it, you want to look from the left or right side for a screw like this. Like so. What you want to do is unscrew it halfway only so that the mount is freed, like so. And on this side, the other side, you have a little push button so that the mount for the tripod will come out like so. Sometimes it will come out forward or backward. It doesn't matter if it comes out. Now what you want to do is head over to your camera like so. Once you have your tripod mount removed off your tripod, you want to grab your camera like so and flip it upside down like so. On your tripod, on your camera, you should see this little tripod screw mount right there. It doesn't matter if it's metal or plastic. Now what you want to do is grab your tripod head mount like so. Make sure your tripod head mount has this little screw, the 1/4 inch screw on it, because sometimes this tripod head has this little function on it, like so. It has this little function where it can come out. The head can come out like so. I mean, the screw can come out like so. If you don't have it, just find it and put it on the way I took it out, like so. And now you want to cover the hole with the cover that it comes with. Now we're gonna put the tripod head onto this camera. What you want to do is flip the camera upside down, and you should see this little mount, this little tripod screw mount right there. This right here is for this piece to be inserted to, because you never want this piece to be left out, like so. Grab your tripod mount like so. You want to screw this screw onto this hole like so, but make sure this little spring is in this hole right there, not in this hole. Now put the screw into the screw thread like so, by making sure that the tripod head is in like this. You can use a coin or a flathead screwdriver, but you never wanna tighten the camera head screw tight. You just want it snug enough so that it comes out. I mean enough so that it's snug and it won't move, like so. You see right there? It's not moving. I'm not forcing it to move, like so. Now we can head over to the tripod, like so. Now that you're at the tripod, what you want to do is insert the tripod the way that we took this mount off, like so. Insert it this way, like so. Make sure the tripod is not like halfway, because it won't, like this. It's not halfway like that, because it won't enter all the way. What you want it is to be flush with this part right here. These two pieces right here, like so. This piece right here enters with this piece on the tripod mount, like so. What you want to do is insert the tripod mount onto the tripod, like so. You should hear a click if it's entered, but right now I inserted it wrong, like so. Now we're gonna insert the tripod head into the tripod, like so. You should hear a click. That means that the tripod is secure. the tripod head is secure. Like so. Now what you want to do is screw the lever right here on the left side. Like so. Screw it so it's tight, not so it's tight. It can be snug so the tripod head won't come off, like so. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to put a tripod head onto a camera and to a tripod. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.